Welcome to our daily movement session. Let's begin right away. Just step and bring your arms up overhead. Other foot comes forward. Bring your hands together and reach up as high as you can. Let's just wake up our bodies. Start to build some inner energy. We're going to connect with our breath through every exercise today. And we're going to move with a little bit of pace. Nice cardio element. Get that heart rate up. You go at your own pace. Choose your own adventure. Just stick with me for 10 minutes or so. We'll boost our mood and energy if nothing else today, I assure you. Oh, okay. Whew, should be woken up, ready to go. Just this simple body weight shift, but really big arms. Think of you reaching your arms as far forward, as far back as you can. And let's move gradually, faster and faster. There'll be some balancing components today, real core stability. And I invite you to just move at your pace. If you'd like a nice cardio session, it's available. Come up off your heel. Breathe into it. Don't forget to breathe. Okay, now, very similar movement, but swing your arms backwards and forwards. And when the right arm comes up, come up onto the balls of your feet. This is a great time to sync your breath. Breathe in and out. Find that rhythm. Get up as high as you can. Engage the core. Now, let's just twist a bit. Keep your feet grounded where they were. A little bit more than shoulder width apart. So we're twisting, but you're going to feel a bit of balance challenges if your feet are narrow as opposed to having a wide stance. And then let's come back to our arm swing. And this time, when the left arm comes to the top, come on up. And sync your breath to the movement. Breathe in and out. Okay, just listen. Oh, you can't hear it now. We saw a woodpecker the other day. There's a different species of woodpecker over here, and it is about this big. It's the biggest woodpecker I've ever seen. But let's not forget what we're doing here. Hey, if we're gonna be out with and connecting to Mother Nature, some of the beautiful things that she's gonna present is gonna have to distract us a bit. Okay, just shake that out a bit. Let's come up onto the balls of our feet and bounce around a little bit. Shake those arms out. Oh. Okay, now sink into a bit of a squat. And we're gonna punch. Rotate and sink down as low as you can. Great lower body strength exercise, as well as building strength in the upper back and the shoulders, core stability here. But I invite you, if you'd like to get that heart rate up, to really start to punch with pace. Pick a spot, give it all your attention, and let's just go here till our arms feel like they're gonna fall off. I think I can. Okay, rise up. Oh, excellent. Let's move our arms in another direction. So here, sink down a bit and float your arms up. Flap them like a bird, like that very large woodpecker. But come down into a gentle squat. Oh, you should hopefully feel nice on the shoulders, counterbalance what we were just doing. So stretch them out now. Really stretch them out. Come down, and you can go with pace here as well. Keep that cardio movement going. Ooh. Or you could go super slow. I could breathe in and out, in and out. Remember, I'm just your guide. You choose what's best for you. From each session and also each movement, mix it up however you feel. There's no right or wrong way. It's the showing up every day that matters, staying consistent. And if this feels nice, although I bet the arms are starting to get a bit tired. Now, still with the balance, engage your core. Reverse lunge. I'm coming into prayer here. And maybe you want to go all the way down and do a real focused reverse lunge. Maybe you want to pick a spot and just tap that foot back, continuing to keep your heart rate up. Choose your own adventure. Just do it with intention and focus, whatever you're doing. Don't forget to breathe and smile. Oh, okay. Oh, let's stretch it out a bit. Really reach as far as you can. Here it goes. Oh, it didn't come into the screen. I don't think. Back to what we're doing here. I contradict myself, I know. Be super present, focus, don't get distracted. And then I'm like, squirrel, look. I know, progress over perfection, right? And this move also, we can go with some pace if we want. Or we could be breathing in and out. My goal today too is just to show you, you always modify. Choose what suits you best on the day. It is the consistency, it's the movement that matters. Okay, very nicely done. I'm gonna tap my heel and sit down a bit. So, wonderful stretch in the hamstring. Building mobility in the hips, clearly leg strength. And this can be done quickly as well. You can also just nice and steady. I can breathe in and out, in and out. Feel that in your glutes, the strength you're building, that inner focus, inner energy. Oh, ooh, last couple. Oh, how does that feel? Let's get a little back bend going here. Sway from side to side and reach down as best you can. And to continue as a broken record, you can go quickly or you could slow it down. Building great mobility and strength in our lower back. Also, Feel that stretch in your inner thighs. Whew. And, oh, rise up. Oh, hallelujah. I am feeling it today. Well done. Oh, 1 point at attention. Join me. Pick your spot. Man, we could do this with a cardio exercise as well to focus on. But I'm just going to choose a gentle shift of the weight. We've been doing a lot of this lately, and I do feel like there's so many benefits from this simple movement. Leg strength, core stability, balance, coordination. Pick your spot, and let's just be for 30 seconds or so. Give all your attention, all your awareness. I hope your mood is elevated, your energy is lifted. Let's just keep doing this every single day. Thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow. Well done. Goodbye.